Good day to you. Today I'm going to cover how to obtain and install CodeBlocks 20.03 on a Windows 10 64-bit machine. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. So first I boot up my machine, okay, and I open my browser and I go to the osprey.unisa.ac.za/download/disk, the website in 2021. So I click on disk 2021. I'm busy covering COS1511. I'm going to CodeBlocks, and here it is. Okay, so this is CodeBlocks 20.03 with the MinGW setup. So you click on this file, it'll ask you to save. Save it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel this. Okay, once it's downloaded, I can just open up my computer. I can go to my downloads folder, and here is the installation file. Okay, so I'm going to close this one down. Don't need to see that anymore. Double click on CodeBlocks. Okay. You might get this user account control screen. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Say yes, I do. It says welcome to CodeBlocks setup. Click next to continue. Click on next. Say I agree. I'm going to just install everything. Okay. Next, it asks me where do I want to put the file. I'm going to leave it at C CodeBlocks. I don't want to leave it in my program files. Okay, like that. I'm going to say install, and now it will extract and install CodeBlocks. It asks you, do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Say yes. Why not? I can click on next, and I can click on finish over here. It'll open up CodeBlocks for me. This screen should pop up. It's got a GNU GCC compiler detected. I'm going to choose OK. And here it's asking me, do I want to associate any files with C++? So I'll say yes, I want to associate CodeBlocks with C or C++ file types. Go OK. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new project. I'm going to click on File, I'm going to say New, and I'm going to say Project. Here it comes up with a whole lot of different projects. I'm going to click on File, Files, and I'm just going to click on C, C++ Source, and I'm going to choose Go. It comes up with this screen. I'm going to say next. I say I want to create a C++ file. It asks me for a file name with the full path. So I'm going to click on this. For me, I like to store all my things on the C drive under a folder called UNISA. So I'm going to go to my C drive. I've already created the folder UNISA. I just don't have the COS 1511 folder. So I'm going to create that. There, COS 1511. Okay, I'll double click on that, and then I'm going to say hello world here. Hello world. That's the name of the file. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to say finish. Okay, and here's my bit of code. I'm going to get a snippet of code and put it in here. Okay, the snippet of code that I'm going to use is, I'm going to start off with using namespace standard. Okay, and then from here I'm going to say int main. Okay, I'm opening up my curly brackets, and then I'm going to say string. Is it string? Yeah. Let's just try string. Yep. And I'm going to say my world, and then I'm going to say this equals to hello world. And alright, in order for me to put this out to the console, I'm going to have to add a thing at the top over here, and I'm going to say include input output stream. Okay, there, like that. And then over here I can say cout, and I can say my world. Okay, and yeah, we mustn't forget our semicolons, otherwise our code is not going to run. And then we put return 0. Okay, and we say run. We want to run this. It's going to ask us, do you want to build it? Say yes. And it should open a console box. It says our string was not declared. Okay, so I'm going to change this. I'm just going to hash it out to, yeah, we use that. Okay, and then I'm just going to say cout and hello world, and that is this way. Let's go and run it. Yes, build it. Good. The hashtag include. Okay. And there's my snippet of code. It's come out. Hello world. As you can see, very simple. This is just an example to show you how to run your first piece of code. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful, and all the best with your COS 1511. Thank you. Goodbye.